Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. And y'all already know what to do, man. If this is your first time, I humbly appreciate and say thank you. But I need you to do a favor. Hit that subscribe button so you can always be tuned in and locked in with the latest and greatest content. Today I want to talk about something that's crazy. Do you see this? What is this she got on? Do she got on dunks? Yes, she got on dunks, but not on her feet. Shacarri Richardson, she be out there giving those girls the business. But do you see those dunks she got on? On her crop top shirt? Man, she took some sneakers and made them into a apparel item. I think that's the most smartest idea because she's running and she want to be endorsed and she got different bags and sponsorships and brands looking her way. What type of statement is it to pop out the Olympics and have something made out of dunks? So check that out. Is that dope or what? Is it hot or not? I think it looks sweet. Look at the design. Look at how she's rocking it. She's peeling it off. She's got that confidence. And when you got confidence, charisma, the swagger comes off right. I mean, look at those brown boys. Look at the olives, man. They are dunks turned into a crop top shirt. Never saw nothing like this. Then she at the Olympics getting love from all the Hall of Fame athletes. Hey, man, game recognized game. And you know she is out here playing none. She's balling, got gold medals in that bad boy, representing Team USA. Shout out to Shacarri Richardson. She's out here giving people the business and she's doing it in style. You already know what to do. It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. And you know, tell a friend and tell a friend, meet us at 10. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them? All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.